In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an embed code for a video stored in Google Drive. This can be incredibly useful if you want to share your video on a website or blog. So, let's dive right in and walk through each step. First things first, we need to make sure your video is in Google Drive. If the video file isn't there yet, go ahead and upload it. Once you've taken care of the upload, you should be able to see it listed in your Google Drive. Now that your video is safely in Google Drive, we need to adjust a few settings to ensure smooth sharing. Right-click on your video file and hit the Share option. This is where you set up permissions to control who can view it. For our purpose, make sure to change the access setting to Anyone with the link as viewer. By linking access to this setting, you ensure that the video will be accessible to anyone who has the link. If access is still restricted, others may not be able to view your video even if it's embedded. Moving on, let's open the video in a separate window. Simply double-click on your Google Drive video to bring up the preview screen. Here, you'll want to find the pop-out icon, which lets you open the video in a new window. This icon usually sits in the top right corner. Can't seem to find it? No worries. Just click on the three dots indicating More Actions and select Open in New Window from the drop-down menu. This step is crucial because opening the video in a new window helps us access the necessary options to get our embed code. Now that the video is open in a new window, you're just a couple of clicks away from obtaining that precious embed code. Look for the File option in the menu bar, then click Share, followed by Get Embed Link. When you choose Embed Item, a box with the required HTML code will pop up. The code is in the form of an E, which is what you'll use to embed the video on your website. Make sure to highlight and copy that code carefully, as this is the final piece of the puzzle. You're now all set to paste the copied HTML code wherever you'd like your video to appear on your website. Embedding a video from Google Drive can seem daunting at first, especially if you're not familiar with the process, but by following these steps, it becomes a simple, straightforward task. So go ahead, copy that code over to your site and watch as others get to enjoy your video seamlessly embedded within your web pages. And that's it. You've successfully taken your video from Google Drive and embedded it with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer and simpler for you to follow. Feel free to watch this video again if you need